Hey friends, it's Gabby. I'm back here in front of you, and today I will be doing a Philippines haul. So before I start this video, just want to disclaim everything. These things were not bought by me. These were literally gifted by my friends and also my mom, my aunt, basically my relatives from the Philippines, and also like my siblings, because my mom and my two sisters went to the Philippines to pick up my dog Leo. Right now he's walking outside because it's like 7 p.m. and it's still kind of bright out, so yeah. Anyway, excuse like if it's kind of dark in my room right now and there's like background noises everywhere, because as I said, it's like 7 in the evening on a Saturday and I have my air conditioning right in front of me. That's why like it got darker in my room, so please, I hope you guys understand that for like over the summer, because it's really hot right now and I'm dying. Anyway, let's get started with this video. So the first thing I want to show you guys that I got from the Philippines is this shirt that I have right now. It says outside is free, and in the back it says Mount Pinatubo. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is so awkward. I got this shirt from Artwork. I specifically chose this for myself because my sister went there and we saw that honestly Artwork has a lot of good stuff in it. So I asked my sister to look for the shirt for me and she bought it for me. And yeah, it was like for I think 150 pesos, which is like $3. So it's not that bad. It's also a ringer tee, which I really like. The only thing is it's really hot right now and I can't really wear it because I feel like there's gonna be like pit stains after. But yeah, it's a really nice shirt. It fits me perfectly. I don't know what size this is because honestly I just like wore it and then that's it. I'm picking up it from this bag right here. I think Nicole gave this bag to me, so thanks Nicole. Okay, I'm gonna pick up everything that's like inside. So move on to the next one is this Artwork shirt, another one. This one's from Nicole, my best friend. It says super me, not supreme, so I'm like fake hype beasting everything. This is in the size medium, and honestly I wore this shirt to school, like for gym class, and it fit me pretty nice. Yeah, I really like it because it's so cute. I'm not really a hype beast person, if you know what I mean, like support supreme and all that stuff. I don't do that. This one I found really cute and cool, and I also like the sleeves, but it would be better if it all had like the same like kind of yellow. But anyway, I love this. I don't know how much this cost her, but thank you Nicole. Let's move on to some tote bags because I got a bunch. So the first one is this one, which is also from Nicole. It says Twinning Pit Boys. This came in with some pins that's like somewhere in the bag. I couldn't find it honestly, but like yeah, basically it's also from Artwork. It's also very beautiful. It has a lot of space and it's a lot bigger and like more durable and thicker than the ones I have from Flying Tiger. So I really love Artwork. Yeah, well definitely once I get back or like visit the Philippines in the next few years or something, I'll definitely buy something from Artwork because like their quality is getting so much better. And then here's the next tote bag, which is also from Artwork. My sister got this for me. I asked her to get it, and it says Cozy Tight Hugs for 4.99 seconds. It's really cute. This also came in with some pins. I'll show it to you guys later when I find it. But yeah, it's really cute. Also fits a lot. It's literally the same size as that one. So, and I think this is the last tote bag, but this is the next one. This is like a begin tote bag. This is Jungkook. I bought this, not really, my sister bought this for me from a school store thing, because like in my old school we had this like thing called the practicum, which is where students sell their own merchandise and products to other students, and I asked her to buy me one and she got me this one. I expected more from it, but I don't know, I'm pretty disappointed in it. So yeah, it's really small. The print is also really small. I'm expecting it to be like a little bigger kind of. I don't know when I'll use this, but I think I'll use it for like gym clothes or something. Moving on, I got this cat ear headband. I have a white one right here. I got this for $2. This one is also for like almost $2. This was like 88 pesos, so like $1.60. It's like really cute and pink. I wanted a gray one, but like they didn't have one, but this will do because this one's really durable compared to this one. This one's a lot better quality for some reason. I'm really excited to use it honestly, but I'm not gonna use it until this one wears off. So yeah, this one I got also from my sister. I think she got it from a store called K Culture. It's in Shangri-La. So yeah, thanks sis. Okay, moving on. I got this like flask thing that has a Gudetama, I guess, design on it. This one I think also came from K-Culture, also bought by my sister. It's really cute. I will definitely use this when I'm like walking Leo and probably going around town or something. I don't really have a summer job, so I was supposed to be using this for the summer, but like, I don't know, probably when I'm going to the gym I'll use this. So yeah, I don't know how much this will fit, but I hope it will fit a lot because I drink a lot of water. So yeah, thanks sis. Moving on to highlighters. So I got these two pastel Stabilo highlighters from National Bookstore. I love National Bookstore. I wish they had some here in this country because honestly their bookstores don't really have school supplies or stationery. So yeah, I have got the pastel blue one, pastel purple one. It was bought by my Ate Dan. So Ate Dan, thank you. Okay, I found the pins. This is the one for the Pit Boys. These are really cute. And I also got this one. Yay, free. Oh yeah. I also got some film developed. I think I'll post them on Instagram on my film account at Gabby Film. I think that's my username. I don't even know my username. I think it's Gabby's Film or Gabby Film. Oh, it's Gabby's Film. So it's at Gabby's Film. And I'll definitely post like some of them. Moving on to more stuff from National Bookstore. I asked my sister to buy me some G-Tech C4 refills because they don't have refills for G-Tech, and also it's expensive to buy the actual pens here. I think 46 pesos each. Oh my gosh. So the next one is this one. I think Nicole drew this. I can't remember, but I think somebody showed me this and then this was attached and I love it so much. Look at that. I think I can't read Korean yet. I think this is Jungkook. I'm guessing really hard. I don't know. I wish I researched before this, but yeah. I think Nicole gave this to me, so thank you, Nicole. The next one like freaked me out. I screamed. This was one of the first things I saw in the bag, and it was this like placemat from Japan, like during the release of the Face Yourself album. So one of my friends went to Japan during that time, and it was Louis. So I don't know who gave this to me. Louis, OT5, which one of you? Or like all of you. Thank you. I can't wait to like put this on my wall. I'm literally putting everything on my wall. Another thing added to the collection. The next thing I got is this pretty romper that's like off the shoulder. I got it from my Tita Maricel or Tita Cel. I haven't cleaned it yet or washed it, so after washing it I'll definitely wear it like next week or something. Yeah, I'm so excited to wear this. Thank you, Tita Cel. And hi Sean, I miss you. The next thing I have here are some socks. Really pretty socks too. I think this is the length that I've always wanted it to be, so I'm really happy about that. This one's also I think from the same store my sister went to, and it's also for 88 pesos. I don't know if I should show you this, but I will. To those people who don't like seeing bras, let's skip the next 15 seconds I guess. I got these like sticky bras. Thanks mom, by the way, because they got this I think from Green Hills. So yeah, I had more bras to show, but like I'm too lazy to show it to you guys. I also got underwear. Fun. I also got this like keychain. I laughed when I saw this. I'm like, oh, that's so cute, but I don't want it. Like I don't use keychains that often, but when I do, I put them like in my camera. But like recently, all of the keychains on my camera broke. Now I think is the time to restart my collection. The next thing I got is this Gudetama pin. I don't know who gave me this because like I asked my sister and they were like, I don't know. To whoever bought this for me and gave it to me, thank you. Because like this is so cute. It's a small Gudetama pin. It's gonna be part of the collection, folks. Thank you so much. It's a really cute pin. Okay, moving on to makeup because I asked them to buy me some stuff. The first thing is the Everbelena lip and cheek stain in the shade Splash Red. I've been wanting to get this for a while because I've been seeing like Filipino beauty gurus use this for 145 pesos, which is about $3. And then I got something from Miniso, and it's the smooth long tip eyeliner pen.
Why?
I'm filming.
You didn't tell me.
I know. Anyway, as I was saying, I got something from Miniso, and it's the smooth long tip eyeliner pen. This one I think was also for like 88 or 100 pesos. It's a very fine tip eyeliner pen. I forgot to mention about this card that I got from my friend Sab. It has a letter and it has a bunch of cool art of me. Look at that. Thanks, Sab. The last thing we got are these Sunny's specs. I really wanted a new pair of glasses, so I asked my mom to buy me one at Sunny's, and I got these just to show you guys what I look like with these on. This is what I look like. Yeah, I really like it. The frames, I think, suit me well. The name of the frames are Duke in Setter. So these were worth 2,000 or like 1,999 pesos. Yeah, not bad in my opinion, because like eyeglasses here in America are so expensive, like about $100, which is like 5,000 pesos, so this is not a bad deal. Thanks, Mom. Anyway, that is it for today's video. I want to thank my mom, my siblings, and also my friends who made this video possible, honestly, because if they didn't go to the Philippines, how would I receive these things? I'm really thankful for that, and thank you so much. And also, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, because if you're new here, I'm Gabby. I'm a 16-year-old YouTuber, and I make fashion, lifestyle, beauty, travel videos, and also sometimes like K-pop related videos. So if you want to see that stuff, go ahead and subscribe. It's right down below, probably red if you're not subscribed yet, and it's free. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go eat dinner and also probably do a thumbnail before that, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna go head out, and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye!
Bitch, the shit. Life falling